Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to generate a PowerPoint presentations using a ChatGPT and Microsoft Office 365 within a few minutes. So it's very simple and straightforward. So let's get started. So go to your browsers and type ChatGPT. So here is the link for ChatGPT website. So now we are in dashboard of ChatGPT. So we'll give a prompt to a ChatGPT so that ChatGPT can generate a content for our presentation. So let's write a prompt starting with generate a 15 slide presentation on topic importance of health. So you can give a topic whatever you want. So we are writing here the importance of health, followed by remaining prompt saying please use your own knowledge and the slides should be interesting and engaging, and press enter. So based on this prompt, ChatGPT will start generating content for our presentation. So let's wait for some time until ChatGPT finish generating content for our presentation. So it is about to finish the content. Okay, so finally ChatGPT has finished writing the content for our presentations. So these are the content for our presentations, starting from slide 1 with title slide, followed by introductions, physical health, mental health, and concluding with slide 15 with topic conclusion. So let's copy all this content generated by ChatGPT on topic importance of health. So we'll copy all this content starting from slide 1 to slide 15. So let's copy this content. Now we just need to go to a website called Microsoft Office 365. So this is the link for Microsoft Office 365. So click to this link. So I have already logged into this website. So if you have not logged into this website, you need to include your password and username. So I've already included my username and password. So this is the dashboard of Microsoft Office 365. So in left bar you can see a number of options starting from home, create, my content, and many more. So we simply need to go to an option called Word. Now Microsoft Office will show a number of different options. So we'll create a blank document for a Microsoft Office where we can simply paste all this content from ChatGPT. So the blank document is opened here. So we'll copy all those content from ChatGPT and paste in this blank document. So we have copied all the content from ChatGPT in Microsoft document here. So we have already we have all those content here. Now we just need to go to menu tab. So we have a tab called file here. So simply click to this file here, and we have an option called export. So click to this export, and now we'll export this content in a form of PowerPoint presentation. So simply click here, export to PowerPoint presentation. Now our file will be exported in the form of PowerPoint presentation. So Microsoft Office offers a number of different design, I mean the theme. So you can use a number of different themes if you're interested, you can play with a number of different themes here. So if you need more, you can simply click see more theme. So it will offer a number of different themes. So simply you can use any one of the theme offered by Microsoft. So we'll just use a document one. So I'll select this document here and I click to this option called export. So let's click here. Now our PowerPoint presentations will be ready within a few seconds. So our PowerPoint presentations is ready. So let's click upon presentation. Now our PowerPoint presentations will be loaded here. Look at here, our PowerPoint presentations is loaded. So it has prepared the PowerPoint presentation so within a few seconds. So we have 16 different slides, starting from slide 1 with a name called document 1. So if you're interested, you can simply customize this slide, or if you simply need more design, you can simply click to this design here. It's loading the design. So this design will be loaded based on your internet speed, right? So we have a number of different options here. You can simply include like a design, transition, animation, slideshow, and many more, right? So our slide is ready. So if you need to download this slide, so simply you just need to save. So let's save as, we'll just give a unique name to this slide like importance of health. So press enter. Now it has been renamed with a file name importance of health. And if you need to download this file, simply you need to go to these options and look at here. We have an options called OneDrive. So this file is in OneDrive, right? So we go to this OneDrive, and in OneDrive we have a number of different options like my file. So you should see a file name with importance of health, which we just renamed earlier. So select this file, and then you should see an option called download. So simply you can click to this download, and then you can simply save this file where you want. So I'll save this file in desktop. So click desktop and then save. So based on internet speed, you should see your file saved in the desktop. So let's open this file, importance of health. Let's enable editing. Wow, so our file is ready. So using the help of ChatGPT and Microsoft Office, we can prepare our slide within a few minutes. So in this way you can prepare your slide using ChatGPT and Microsoft Office. So that's all for today, guys.